Welcome to the Smartsparemote Jandy 4 setup video. Before you install the Smartsparemote card, you have to configure the Jandy to support the Spa link, given that the Smartsparemote emulates a Spa link. We'll take you through the steps now of how to configure that using the all-in-one console. First, we're going to press Menu. Then we're going to tab forward to the Setup display. Now we're on System Setup. We're going to tab forward until we reach Spa Switch. Select Spa Switch. We have one switch. And then we're going to press the buttons corresponding to the devices that we want the Smartsparemote Alexa card to turn on when we request it. Remember these buttons, you'll need to use them later when you set up the Alexa app in the app control. You're going to set up buttons 1 through 4. It will come default as Pool Pump, Spa Pump, Auxiliary 1 and 2 on the Alexa card, but you can set these up for whatever you want and then change them later in Alexa. Detailed instructions can be found in the supplied manual, including the One Touch, where the setup is very similar. The next step is to install the card inside the Aqualink Power Center. First, start by opening the Aqualink door. You'll see a panel that covers the supply. You'll need to remove that panel in order to begin the installation. Recommended you use the double-sided tape supplied, put it on the back of the PCB card, and then mount the PCB card on the far left-hand side of the cabinet. The card has 3 sets of wires labeled JP2, JP1, and JP3. JP2 on the far right is for temperature, 1 black wire. JP1 in the middle is blue, yellow, white, green, and black. This will be the ones that go to the switch connection. And then the far left, JP3, green and red, is for power. Now we'll show you where those go. First, we'll take JP2 black wire connector. We'll run it over to the green terminal block in the Jandy. If you want the spa temperature, put it into pin location 3 along with the spa probe that's already there, or location 5 if you want the pool temperature. Now we'll take the wires on location JP2. They're blue, yellow, white, green, and black. They go into this black 6-pin connector along with the wires that are already there of the corresponding colors. Now we'll take the 2 wires on location JP3. There will be a green wire and a red wire. They're going to go into this red 4-pin connector and plug them in with the corresponding red and green connectors that are already there. Close the unit back up, restore power, and we'll begin the setup process. Now go to the setup icon on your iPhone, select Wi-Fi, you should see Pool Timer as one of the options. Select Pool Timer. A menu will pop up. Select Configure Wi-Fi. You should see your Wi-Fi ID pop up. Mine is Jim Wi-Fi and it shows 100%. Anything less than 70% could be an issue and you may need to move your router closer to your Jandy. Now you're going to type in your password after you've selected your SSID. And this is going to connect your blue chip now to the internet. Simply exit this screen once you've completed it and go back and look at the chip. You should see a blue light. That blue light indicates it's now connected to your home SSID and is communicating with the back-end Alexa server. The last step now is to configure the Alexa app. If you don't have the app, you'll need to download it from the App Store and register with Amazon, all of which is free. Select the Alexa icon. Up will come Amazon Alexa application, and now you can begin configuring. Select More in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. Now select Skills. Once you bring up Skills, you're going to want to do a search. You'll hit the magnifying glass in the top right-hand corner, and then you type in Smart Spa Remote, 3 words, and then you'll hit the search on your keyboard. It'll search and we'll find Smart Spa Remote. Select Smart Spa Remote and then click Enable to Use. Next, it will pop up your login. Now you'll enter the credentials that came with your card that were on the label attached to the card. And generally they're Smart 8X and then some numbers at Smart Spa Remote. So you'll go ahead and type that in. After you type that in, you're going to then type in the password, which will also be attached to your card. Be careful to type these in. They're all lowercase and they are specific to your card. Once you type in the password, you press Sign In, and Alexa will begin the discovery process. After you type in the password, you should get the message from Smart Spa Remote that the account has been linked. Then you're going to press the Discover at the bottom of the screen. Once the Discover is complete, you'll get a message on the screen that says Devices Discovered. Simply press View, and now you can see the new devices have been discovered, from water, pool pump, spa pump, all the way to auxiliary. I'm going to select Spa Pump. You see the power is off. I can press the button to now turn the power on. Now I need to edit the Alexa app, change the mapping so they correspond with how I configured Spa Link on the Jandy Power Center. Alexa discovers Auxiliary 5, but Auxiliary 5 is really my pool heater. So I'm going to change Auxiliary 5 in the Alexa app to Pool Heater so that matches up exactly with how my Jandy Power Center is configured. Now I can go back to the Pool button and turn the pool heater on. If you get along waiting for Smart Spa Remote, or you see server is unresponsive, it means your card has lost connection to the internet. If this happens often, you may need to move your router closer to your Jandy Power Center. For any questions or issues, please contact us at support@smartsparemote.com.